This is a watermelon popsicle margarita. Oh, look at that! You don't say! So we grab some watermelon chunks and we blend, right? Beautiful. So you have that nice watermelon puree and you pour that into your popsicle mold. Stick in some sticks, put it in the freezer, bang. Good. Now you get some tequila. Come behind it with some triple sec. So what we're doing right now is we're making a margarita. Some lime juice. So you could use any margarita recipe you want. Hit it with a little simple syrup. You could use agave if you want to sweeten it up. And then we come in with some of that watermelon puree again. Okay, we strain it so it could be more juice-like as opposed to pulpy. Rim our glass with some coarse salt and lime, put in some ice cubes, and so now we pour in that watermelon margarita mix, okay? So that's already a drink. Put in a little lime slice, and there you have it. No, we're not done, because we grab that watermelon popsicle and you stick that bad boy in. Summertime! Stay tipsy.